I hope already I given a little bit about what is the need and purpose of shell script, right? See, shell is the interpreter. By using interpreter, we are executing our commands and also adding programming feature to our existing commands is nothing but we are calling it script. Script is nothing but code. The code here, our code is having Linux commands. There I'm moving to our document. Somewhere our document is there. We are observe. We are going to where is our document? And I'm going to page one. You understand the each after their shell program. A theory is there. No need to go in depth theory. I may give clarity. See, you know what is shell. Right? User is going to interact with application. Application is going to interact with shell. See, very simple answer. What is shell? A shell is a command interpreter. What does it mean? It will execute line by line. Before executing, it will check first. Yeah, you are the right person or wrong person. If you are the right person, it will execute. You are the wrong person, maybe you know the status code, right? Zero or other than 1 to 255. It may provide. See, shell is going to interact with kernel. Kernel is the heart of the operating system. Kernel is going to communicate with the hardware. That's all. Kernel is also one type of software program. Shell is also one type of software program. Application, we written something. This is the maybe your application in the sense system softwares are there, application softwares are there, whatever it is. Calculator is nothing but an application. MS Office is there, an application. Who is interacting with that? User is interact with that. Here you need to understand n number of users, n number of shells, but one kernel, one hardware. Everybody must remember. Only one kernel, one hardware. I hope you understood. Here I'm not going to read line by line because of, I know, their bash shell. By default shell is bash shell. By default shell is bash. Bash means born again shell. Bash means born again. We may check it really which shell is going to work out default, which shell is going to work default. Someone is going to join. Today I may connect with two different operating system. One is the default one Ubuntu. There check it Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu. I may take one screen. In the same way, already I'm having my Linux is running internally. That screen also I'm taking. I'm going to see the variance. I'm going to see the variance. I'm showing the variance now and try to understand. Not this one. I'm going to adjust the screen size. Now see, I'm taking up to this, pressing enter. Maybe see echo dollar sign shell, shell shell. Check it here. See bash shell or agree with me. Even see this is the Windows within the maybe Windows subsystem, maybe Linux subsystem for Windows. This is Ubuntu. Here, what my intention is, see, in AWS, already I'm having on Linux server, the Red Hat Linux, I think this is already, I hope, connected. Really connected or not, we need to check first. We need to check here. I think here already connected. Maybe 2 to 3. We took the class. This is the RH here. This prompt also I will consider. This prompt also I will take it. Now, how can I see here? See, two prompts are there. Here also, I may go for control L. There's the echo, their echo. There is no much difference that I am trying to explain. Echo, what is that? Shell, right? SHEL. Maybe after my class, what you may do like this. Echo, this is the dollar sign, SHELL, shell. Check it here, what happening. We may get an error. Or some people, what they may do, small echo. Okay, you said, sir, I am agree with. Again, SHEL. Again, this is also wrong thing. Check it. See, here, this is the predefined variable. Predefined variable. You want to know, right? ENV. Check it, ENV. In this somewhere, the word shell is there or not. Check it. Slowly observe. You may view the word shell somewhere. Is there or not? Tell me. See, observe here. See, observe here. Is it available or not? These are the predefined variables. Here also same scenario is there. Again, I may go with ENV. ENV. Here also there. Here also there. Here also we can. There is no much difference. My intention. If you face any difficulty, please try to ask me. Here also, I think shell is there, right? Observe. Is there or not? In real time, we may work with any one instance. We don't go like this two instances parallelly. Someone is trying to join. Good. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening.
Yeah, thank you. Now see, two instances we are running. Two instances. Maybe enter. There control L. Here also again enter. Control L. Control L. Good. Now, what I am trying to explain is, see, this is our window. See, the names try to remember the bear shell, corn shell, she shell, tea shell, jet shell, multiple shells. You want to see all the shells. Maybe there they may given the command, all the shells you want to see. See, cat etc shells. In both areas we will try. Cat etc shells. See, cat sudo cat slash etc slash shell. Yes, shells. See, sh is there. This is the oldest one. Bash is the latest one. There again sh, again bash. Only two shells are supported. This one. Maybe you will go with the root sudo hyphen I. Any special thing is there. There again sudo cat slash etc slash shells. See, nothing is there. One is the sh, second one is the bash. Now you go for Ubuntu. Ubuntu, what it will show? Ubuntu, what it will show? Now see cat slash etc shells shells. Now see, at least it is supporting some extra, right? Sh bash r bash is there. Maybe dash is there. P mux is there, and screen only screen. Maybe different types of shells. Even some words, even I didn't listen. No need to remember those because of industry using only bash mainly. Bash is the powerful one. Even though you know Jenkins, if I ask what is Team City, you may ask me where is the Team City. Team City is also one type of tool. That is the automation tool. Maybe Circle CI like that. Even those many tools are there. Why Jenkins is most powerful? Maybe industry using. That's why that is powerful. If industry is not using, even other than that, most powerful softwares are there. But that is no use in the same way here. Now, my intention is simply we are going to. I hope you got the clarity, right? Echo dollar sign zero. Current shell, you can see it. Current shell. Current shell means just their echo dollar sign zero. Dollar sign zero. See here. Now here is the bash we are using. Here is the bash we are using. Like that. Like that you can understand. No good. What is shell script? What is shebang? And first script. Here shell script is the script having commands as well as programming features. I am not going to read line by line again. I am telling. What is shebang? What is shebang? Here, dollar sign, what is hash symbol and exclamation mark? If you combine these two, we can call it as a shebang. See, dollar sign, somewhere they written somewhere, see, hash with exclamation mark. This is nothing but shebang. You may ask me, what is the use of this? I can specify a specific interpreter. See, your application, your script, you want to execute with SH or you want to execute with maybe bash. Maybe I may show you manually one example. You may get the clarity. Based on that, we'll go with it. Now I am going with this area. You know it. You know sudo VA, sudo VA, sudo VA, VA, VA. Maybe first dot ss assume. First dot sh. Here I am taking date, insert date. There echo well. Now I want to show you which shell it is running. There I want to show you echo. Okay, current shell. Current 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 shell. You want to see the current shell. There dollar sign, shell. This is the one way. Date command I am printing and welcome I am printing and even calendar also you want to print it. Calendar, calendar, lowercase calendar. Even that too calendar, this month only it will show this month calendar only. Good. Now I am escaping. Shift colon. You want to display date right here. It won't display like that. Echo. There date. There you go. Today date colon again dollar sign there like this only we can dollar sign. This is the right command. This is the right command. This is the command substitution. This I am not wrong. It will print even calendar. It may print it. We may check it calendar. It may print automatically. Escape shift colon X. Now observe carefully. Just I am using sh dot slash first dot sh. This is one way. See, am I getting output or not? Please respond. Same thing. I want to exit this is the old shell, right? I'm using bash bash. Output wise, there is no difference, but performance wise, small difference is there. Even that is also not countable. Internally, within second, we are getting output, right? We know our feeling is seconds is very less. According to computer, seconds, milliseconds, microseconds, nanoseconds, picoseconds. Milli, micro, nano, pico like that. But compared to SH, bash is rewritten, right? Born again shell, right? That's why compared to SH, bash is more powerful. Our intention, our script will run the specific. You need to specify either specifically with SH or specifically with the bash. For that purpose, this is the industry standard they are following. That's why we need to follow sudo VA. Please observe here. This script must run insert must run hash then exclamation mark even whether you use space or not leave it there we may go with bin there you may go with bash. This is the simple thing. You are executing these 1, 2, 3, 4 lines will be executed with this interpreter where we are telling with this interpreter. That is the meaning of shebang. That's all. Now simply dot. First, what shall I do? There chmod. This is the mandatory rule. There u plus x, first dot sh. Now simply dot slash. What is this? First dot sh. This is the right procedure. Now got it? See, I said output wise maximum no difference, but which shell is executing in the sense which shell is executing with help of bash shell. So, is there any doubt up to this? I hope no, right? Manually we used Either by using sh we can run, by using bash we can run.
No.
We are specifying with the shell. Before going to run, we are telling, hey, run with the same, run with the so and so shebang, shebang. See, shebang may not visible here. See, shebang is visible for you? No, right? Shebang won't visible. Based on the shebang, shebang tells us through which interpreter you are going to execute those comments. That's all. Now see, this is the Python script. This is the Python script. Python script you want to run. Python script you want to run. Maybe you may ask me, through Python, I want to read two numbers. At least I want to add it. I want to display it. Maybe first I may write a simple Python code. You may know it. Everybody know it. A simple Python code. See, I want to know, right, which WHICH, which Python, PYTHON. See, I'm having Python or not. If I specify which Python, you may get something means that Python already installed, Python already working. That is the meaning. Now, control L, control L. What my intention is, I'm going to write a small code, control L. There sudo va test.py. What is the extension? Python extension is test.py. If extension py, then only Python will execute. But for shell script, is there any specific rule for extension only .sh? No, we can give any. But industry standard is we need to follow. What is the problem? I missed VA, right? I'm missing VA. I'm missing VA. Now see, anyone can suggest me. If you want to read two numbers in Python, generally what you may write? Insert there x is equal to x is equal to int of input of input of enter a value, enter x value, enter x value. I hope I am not wrong. The same way y is equal to int of input of maybe enter y value, enter y value. Now see, print print open brace double quotation flower bracket 0 there, close this, plus flower bracket 1 plus, not plus, is equal to flower bracket 2. There you need to give comma, 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 there are dot format dot format of x comma y comma z. X comma, no need, there is no z, right? There is no z. That's why what I may do, there z is equal to x plus y. I hope I am not wrong. It may print the output or something going wrong. It may give an error. We may check it first. Escape, shift colon x. I think someone is trying to join. No? Anyone is there? Oh, two members are waiting. Okay, thank you for joining. Now we are moving to this environment. And now please suggest me, how can I execute this? How can I execute this? There py, there is test.py. This is one way of execution. Execution. See, it is not understood. That's why I may go with python Python 3, even P capital, Python 3, after that test.py. Check it. It is not supported. Python, Python. We may check really Python is there or not. There py is there or not? Not there. We may go with python Python. Yes, Python only I need to take. Exit exit of 0. In that way, I checked. Now I go with Python. What is the file name? Test dot. My file name correct only, right? Now check it. Enter X value, maybe 10. Enter Y value, maybe 20. See the output? 10 plus 20 equal to 30. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. See, if I use dot slash test dot py dot slash test dot py. What happening here? Permission denied first. We need to provide permission. You are right. chmod u plus x. Got it or not? There test dot py. That's all. After this, once again, I am checking. See, am I getting a problem or not? See, here the problem is it is thinking like a shell script. Is it really script code? No, right? We need to specify, hey, I am not a script code, I am the Python code. How can I tell? How can I tell? I am telling in this way. I am telling in this way. Sudo, where is that? Where is the sudo here? Now here, hash, hash, tell me, their exclamation, slash, slash, USR, I think USR bin slash, I think what is the right thing? Which Python if you use, what is the matter? Have you got it? Which Python if you use, what was the data you got it? User bin or only bin? I need to exit from here, otherwise it won't work. I need to tell. There see, which Python, Python, bin slash Python, then only it will work. Don't, you need to identify, then only you need to go. Otherwise, it won't work. That's why I came back. Now, see, now guide me here. Slash bin is there or not? Insert, already slash bin. I hope, what is the next one? Python only, right? Python. If we are not wrong, it will execute. We need to check. Now, guide me. Only with the dot slash. Now see, is it executing or not? For this purpose only we are giving shebang. We are telling to interpreter, hey, which interpreter you need to start my program. Already I specified at first line. He will take care of. He will take care of. Just like maybe in study hours, one tutor will be there. He will take care of those 20 members. Whether he teach or not, whether he know the subject or not. He may manage the things in the same way that I'm going to give 100, that I'm going to give 200. I may get something 100 plus 2000, 4100. Srinath garu, you got little clarity? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Consider the following script. What does it mean? It is going to remove the things. Here again, see bin slash rm. Rm is the command, right? We are applying the command. It is beautiful script. Finally, our file will be removed. Our file will be removed after execution. No need to give that one. That only for funny purpose they may given like that. We never use such type of representations. Now good. We no need to set the path. Maybe in cloud we never set the path. What is meant by the variables? Sir, variables are three types. Variables are three types. Generally, we go for is there any specification given for types of variables? Types of variables. Variables are placeholders. Okay, to hold variables. Their instance variable is there. Maybe technically they may given according to Linux. We may talk. We may talk. Their user variable. See, user defined variables. According to shell, we may talk. See, session scope, user scope, and system scope. I may give little clarity about variables. You may ask me what is the need of variables also. I may go directly with the simple examples. Why it is moving like that? Something going around, not recording properly. We may check it. It is last one. No, this is the right option. Good. Now see here, what is the need and purpose of variables? Need and purpose of variables. See, x is 10. Good. X is 10. Then assume y is 20. See, whenever if I go for echo, or directly I may use x. What happening, observe? Nothing is there. I want to print this x. See, X is the variable, X is the placeholder. It can hold which value? Maybe see Z I am taking, I may take Z, Z is equal to Rama. Z is equal to Rama. Now here according to Linux, according to shell script, there is no data type mentioned. Based on the value it will consider, automatically X will feel like everything can consider as a text only. But here we are directly we are giving 10, right? 10, 10, automatically it will feel like what? Integer, numeric value, but it is feeling like a string. Now my intention is I want to print these values. The first command is echo, where the variable you want to print it, dollar sign is mandatory and variable name. That's all, check it. Now, in the same way, you want to print both x and y and z. Again, dollar sign y, again, dollar sign z, dollar sign z. That's all. See, 10, 20 RAM. You may ask me, I want to add these two and print it. Add these two and print it. See, I may apply plus assume. I may apply plus in between. What happens? Automatically, are you getting plus only, right? Here, what to do? What to do? I want to do something. I want to do something. What I need to do? There, square bracket, space, again square bracket. Even space is not mandatory here. Even space is not mandatory. Even space is not mandatory. There we may go, no need to space, but you need to give dollar sign one second. See, check it. 10 plus 20, 30. Even check it, even I am not using here also dollar, here also dollar. We may get the output, check it. But based on the practice only, we can recognize when space is needed, when space is not needed. But if you forgot this dollar, I think no use. Check it, no use. There, who is taking care here? This dollar is going to taking care. This dollar is going to taking care. Now, for this purpose, we can use variables. Maybe we may try another way. X is equal to maybe 100. There, y is equal to 200. See, you may go with unset x. There, I am going to print echo dollar sign x. This is the entire question. They ask for multiple times. See, is there any variable x? But y is there. Check it. Echo dollar y. I hope everybody got the clarity. First, I declared one variable, assigned value. In future, I don't want x. What is the meaning of unset? Set means no set. You need to specify. But unset, you need to specify. Unset means clear variable name from memory. Clear variable name from memory. Got the clarity, I think. This is the variable. But if it is some variables are there, right? System defined variables. How can I see env? In these are all system defined. All are caps. Check it. All are caps. These are all system defined variables. System defined. Even username you want to see. Which user? There I may go with who am I? Who I may go with who am I? Who am I? Check it. And the root. Okay, you want to see echo dollar sign, echo dollar sign, user, user. Again, what it will show? Root only. Even I may go with who only. I may go with who. See, who means easy to user, something, something, it is giving. There, who am I? Will give the proper value. Who am I? Will give the proper value. Now you know little bit about variable purpose, little bit about variables. See that they given. You may some other thing. One variable I may declare it. Maybe a is equal to 10. Maybe again a is equal to 100. Again a is equal to 1000. Maybe after 1000 I want to fix that. Just read only. Read only. A. If I try for a is equal to 10,000, it never work out. It may raise an error. Check it. A read-only variable, you won't modify. Just like a bonds, some fixed deposit bonds. Today, I took 1 lakh. Tomorrow, I want to maybe clear it. They may tell, okay, possible to clear. Maybe I may reduce some amount. Generally, after 1 year, with interest, we may provide. But tomorrow, you want to maybe withdraw, we may just deduct the amount. In the same way, read only names you can't. For example, I may give a read only purpose. Maybe college name. Monthly they may change college name or may not change college. They never change. Generally, once they may fix it. At that time, you may go with the read only. One time activity, you may go with read only. Maybe instance level, again and again you want to change it to go for general variables. There we may go with scope of the variables. Today I may take all the three scopes, I may complete all the three scopes. The one is session scope, another one is the user scope, third one is the system scope. See, if you open a prompt, this is the CLA, right? Whatever the variable you may declare, that is the session scope. What is the drawback of session scope? Again, I may tell x is equal to 100, y is equal to 200. We are very happy. Before closing up to this, see, I am exiting. I exited. Again, I may re-enter. SU or sudo hyphen I. If I try for echo $x, I may not get the output. Check it. This is the session scope. Session means once terminal is started, if you close the terminal, which will close? Session will close automatically. Session is closed. That is the meaning. Session is the closed. Session scope is generally useless. Session scope is in memory. In memory. In memory means if power on, suppose here internet is there, you can see my screen. If internet is not there, you can't see my screen. That is the session scope for that particular session only. Anybody facing any difficulty according to session scope? I hope you got it. Session scope means if terminal is on, we may access. If terminal close it and reopen the terminal, you won't get the content. See, I hope you got it right. Now I am going to which scope? User scope. User scope. What is the power of user scope? Quickly we may create two users. Quickly we may create two users. I may go with user add Rama. There PASSWD again Rama. Observe carefully what is the spelling mistake? Was WD. PASSWD Rama. Now check it. I am giving R. Again I am giving R. In the same way, Rama, one more user is Sita I am taking. One more user is Sita. Sita, one user is there. Maybe Sita password. PASSWD Sita. Sita password is yes only. Rama password is R only. Two users are there. My intention, I want to enter into user one. I want to enter into user one. Maybe I may enter into user one. There. Here a small thing you need to specify. Maybe we may try. Maybe manually we may try. If any difficulty, I may go for VI sudo. Up to that, I won't go. No problem. SU hyphen Rama. I am entering. Okay, yes, I am in Rama environment. You can check it. PWT. That's it. Slash home slash Rama means that is the good environment. Sometimes we may go for exit, right? Exit. When the road, again SU, there yesterday I told somewhere, right? Maybe again I am going to Rama. Now look like I am in Rama. See that small difference is there. Here, which environment I am in? User is Rama. Please, anyone talk to me. User is Rama. Which environment here? See here environment, root environment. How can I know? We may try. There PWD, we may check. See what is the environment. I think this is the realistic scenario. That's why you may get it. You may get the clarity. Without using hyphen, what is the problem? Shiv Shankar, are you there? Yesterday we have seen something there in general Ubuntu. We didn't see that difference. Here we are clearly able to see, right? But which is the right procedure? I said first you need to exit from here. Exit from here. We need to go for root. Now SU hyphen Rama. Now see I'm in proper Rama environment. What I can do? What I can do? Just I go for PW, present working there. If I are getting same user environment, that is the proper environment here. Okay, good. But our intention is which scope? User scope, right? User scope. Again, I'm creating one variable. Again, I'm creating one variable. See, x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Good. There, y is equal to 20. There, I'm able to view echo dollar sign x. Copy. But once I close it, again I'm entering su hyphen Rama. What is the use? Tell me. Echo dollar sign x. There is no use. This is also session scope. This is also session scope. I don't want session. I want to move to user scope. How to move to user scope? First, we need to enter into user environment. How can I enter into user? User means every user having ls-la. Check it. Here, see dot bash rc or dot bash profile. Both are similar. Maybe 2 days back I studied this one, but for 2 years I know this is the procedure. For both are right, but anyway, this is the industry standard. Many people may go with the dot bash also. Even we can change in this also, it will also work. It will also work. But anyway, we are going with the standard procedure. There I'm going to enter sudo va dot bash as dot bash or dot bash as. See here, it is asking password, no problem. I know password. That's why I connected. Am I connected or not? What is that? This incident will be reported, right? Now for this, what shall I do? First, I need to enter sudo hyphen I. Now they are asking Rama password. Yes or now see I am in VA sudo must enter. There is no alternative. Here, what happened? What happened? I am in Rama, right? First exit from here. There VA sudo. VA sudo. There within the VA pseudo, I need to add these two users. This is the protection levels. That's why they given like that. But that is your wish. Wherever you want it, you can add it. That is your wish. There is no specific area. Wherever space is there, your feeling is there, you may add it there only. But some areas, why we may go in that area means they may return, may be easy to identify those values. That's why are going to change it. Anyway, there I am going. Where is the root? Somewhere root word is there. Where is the root word? Anyone recognize? Anyone recognize the word root? Yeah, root is there. Yes, good. Now insert, end it. Same thing. Rama, there, Rama, tab key. There all is equal to all. All is equal to all. There again, no, PASSWD, colon all. In the same way, Sita also I am giving Sita and tab key all is equal to all and no PASSWD colon all. That's all escape. Shift colon X. I think small x only. No, I need to give small x. Now good. SU hyphen run. Now see here is sudo va dot bash rs. Now in this environment, wherever the space is there, wherever space is there, your duty is where is the space? Where is my cursor? Where is my cursor? Enter. There see export export a is equal to 1 2 3. Export export name is equal to double quotation welcome. Now exp what spelling is correct only, right? Escape, shift colon x. See, those variables won't work. But what is the use? You must exit from here. Again re-enter su hyphen comma. Now check it echo dollar sign. I hope I given a right. A. In the same way, dollar sign name right. Check it. This is the way we can use. But you may ask me what is the advantage? These two variables are fixed for this username Rama. These two variables no one can access. No one in the sense, if I enter into Sita, so exit, see I'm enter into Sita, su hyphen Sita, check it, there echo, what, where is that space is mandatory, space is mandatory. Now echo dollar sign, yeah, you check it, dollar sign, is it working or not? No, I don't know who is a, I don't know who is name, no use. But you may have a doubt. Please tell me, suppose 100 users are there. This A and name, all the 100 members wants to access. This is very complex, right? For each user, I may go and I may export it A and B. Again, I may export it A and B. Okay, today is good. Tomorrow, someone said A is equal to not 120, 123, A is equal to 420. Someone told me. I want to replace it. Where I want to replace all the 100 users I want to replace, we may feel very complex, right? For that, they may use system variables. They may use system variables. How to use system variables? For system variables, first I need to enter into root account, exit. They are seen sudo vi slash etc slash profile profile one file is that. Check it. We got it or not? In this file, I may declare two variables. That is your wish. You tell me two variables name. I may go with B. Where is my cursor? Where is my cursor? No, no. I don't replace existing values. I won't touch it. Now enter it. Now see, there some KK is equal to maybe 420. Maybe their language is equal to DevApps. Assume. If I use the lang DevApps, I want to get. If I use KK, I need to get 420. This is my intention. But yeah, the best practice is export export. Without export also we can get the result, but industry standard is export. But language DevApps, right? String, right? If it is string means you need to provide double quotation. Need to provide double quotation. I hope I am not wrong. Colon X. I said first you need to exit from here, exited. Now I am entering into user Sita. SU first sudo hyphen I. There su hyphen Sita. See, I entered in which user? I entered in Sita user. I entered in Sita user. Now I may check it. Echo dollar sign. What is the first variable? KK. Am I getting 420? Yes. In the same way, what I need to do? Dollar sign. There lang, right? Lang. So language. Is it best practice or not? If multiple users need same resource, we may go with common place. What is the common place? etc profile place. If that particular user only wants to access, you may go with a dot bash rc. If I need to use only particular situation, that is nothing but session scope. Session means that particular instance, that particular time period only. You may exit and enter, you won't access. Even though multiple times exit and enter, no problem. That particular user only want to access dot bash rc. If anyone wants to access, you may go with slash etc slash profile file. You need to add the such specific variables. I hope you got the clarity. I think I covered all the variables. Maybe at the beginning days, I took 2 days, 2 sessions for only variables. That nearly within 40 minutes I may cover all the variables. I hope you got the clarity. Now, quickly I may complete command substitution and as well as variable substitution. Command substitution and variable substitution. Please try to understand. Here, if I give date, we are very happy. But my intention today, today date is. I want to get like that. Here, my intention. I want to add date. My feeling, date is the command. But our Linux feeling is if I enter like this, nothing because this is the Linux interpreter. It will consider each word as a command. Is it really command? No. Which is the command? Echo is the command. Echo today date. That too good, no problem. What it will feel? Hey, today, date. My intention is what? Today, I want to get date. I want to get. You may ask me. No, no, no. You try to give colon. Okay, that too good. Again, I may get colon also. After colon, I want to get real date. I want to get real date. It is a command. Command is surrounded with this one. You may remember this one. Any command surrounded with this. Oh, I may enter. Again, we may get maybe braces. Brace some meaning is there, right? That's why unexpected token it is feeling. We may go with simply dollar sign. Now observe, am I getting the output or not? Am I getting that? You may ask me, no, 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 you don't want to use a dollar, you don't want to use open brace, but you want to get output. Anyone can guess it? Without using dollar sign, without using brace, we want to get the output. Just anyone guess it? Is there any other process? Maybe take 1 minute time. You may search it on the internet. Maybe I may expect you may give right answer. If I press enter, I want to get the here is the date output. Maybe what is the date? Maybe Thursday, June something. I want to get it. I'm giving exactly 1 minute time for you. Now 7:28. I may give the answer at 7:30 now. At 7:30 at least. Maybe meanwhile you may check it. You may try for at least. You may search it. You may get it. That is not a complex process. Very simple thing.
Date double quotations.
Date. Okay,
Say
you
date
tell me.
after double quotations.
Okay, double quotation.
No,
Good.
no, date after colon.
Yeah, double quotation. Good. Your feeling is
Date
this. It
after
may.
date plus percentile D.
Okay. You are telling your own intelligence, right? I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Plus
yeah. Okay. Anyway, it won't work. Okay. For your satisfaction, I
percentage.
am writing. For
Yeah,
your satisfaction, I am writing. Until
percentile D.
D. Okay. We may check it at least.
Semicolon. Double quotes.
Where you want to
Please
provide double
remove
quotes?
echo after echo. Please remove double quotes.
Okay. I am removing double quotes. What you may get, same thing you may get. See, shall I go with the right answer?
Yeah.
Anyone? Anyone is trying?
Yeah. Date and capital D. Double quotation. Double
No,
quotations
according to
need
this,
to be
whatever you
followed.
said, this is the right Srinath Garu. If I
Yeah.
remove this line, you are perfect. You are the right person.
Okay.
But my,
Okay.
my intention is what? I want to get today. I want to get today.
Today. Yeah.
Okay. But today displayed by Echo, right? That one,
Yeah. Yeah.
Echo. So that you are very well. But your intention is you want to see the output, right? You want to see
Yeah.
the output. You want to see the output. Observe on my screen what I did. Even I don't know. I executed this. See the output. What happened? At least check it. What
Yeah.
I did
Today
at
date.
least just
Today. Yeah.
which one I provided.
Dated.
That you see. This is the latest one. TypeScript knows this is nothing but BACK backtick. You need to read the word. What is the word?
Okay. Backtick.
Backtick. Backtick. See, this is the single quotation. Please write on. This is the single quotation. But observe, even on below the escape key, without
Yes.
pressing shift symbol, you need to apply. This is the back tick. I hope you got it. Clear or not? The 1960s they developed this mechanism, not today, not 1860. 1860 they developed this one, but we don't know. We are not using. But this is again, this is the latest trend. Again, this is the latest trend. Anyway, you got the clarity, right? Now you may go with is the variable substitution. What is the use of variable substitution? Now see, already some variables are there, right? KK variable is there. Echo, echo, maybe uh, echo, maybe KK. How to get KK? Dollar sign. See, check it. Am I getting 420? My feeling is you are 420. I make you like this. You are, you are, area 420. Here now it is getting properly, right? Now it is getting, you are 420. Yes, sir. You are 420s. My feeling. You are all 420s. Maybe this is my intention. You are all. I make you like this. But what is the drawback here? Observe. You are all. Okay. You are all. See, Srinath Garu. Observe here. Am I getting proper output?
Yes.
No, right?
No.
If you want to, even though you may give like this, you want to get proper output. That's at the time you may go with this is the purpose of flower bracket. Now check it. What is the output here? Even though you are maybe in Telugu Ganjai Vanamlo, which which one? Tulasi Mokka. That is the power here. Even though you are there, you are protected, right? With curly brace open, with curly brace close. At that time, you go for curly brace. Even some many people may have a doubt. Even my brother Ramana asked me. No, I don't know the difference. Here, see, you are getting the clarity. Here, problem is there. But if I give space, no problem. We don't know, right? We may give space or not. Even though if we give space or not, you want to see the output, which is the most wonderful and powerful. Curly braces is helpful. Here, many things I explained within the shell script, but shell script is not a simple thing. Okay, please try to practice it. Even I may cover very quickly also, very fastly also. But if you are having doubt, interrupt me, maybe stop me, maybe try to ask me. But explanation, I never lose explanation because of I may each one I may give twice or thrice in different ways I may explain because others some people may not know the language features. That's what I may give such clarity. Okay, thank you. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow morning. No class in the sense my class. Markonda sir will start AWS. We may continue the AWS session nearly 10 days. Maybe I may complete within, I may take 5 sessions only shell script. Within 5 sessions, my intention, I want to finish everything. I want to finish. Maybe I may extend 10 to 15 minutes extra for each day. Okay, thank you. And tomorrow afternoon, 2 o'clock, again, I think today afternoon you didn't attend, right, Srinath Garu? You didn't attend. We took one real time scenario. Okay, you may observe
Yeah.
that which one? Jenkins, right?
Yes.
I'm forgetting the terms, at least the tools terms, but I am not forgetting the subject. Okay, thank you. We'll see tomorrow at 2 or 2:15. I may start Jenkins. Thank you.
Okay.
Good. Martin, I'm పెట్టినాడా నువ్వేం పెట్టినావు ఆయన ఏం పెట్టినాడా అది కాదు మాకు